في بلاد الخير، إمارات الخير، نلتقيكم.
In this great country of the United Arab Emirates, we achieve success after success.
مع آلاف الحكايات سوف نفتح كتب الذكريات ونسمع منهم. كل هذا وأكثر في وثائقي نجاح. معي أنا شادية الحسامي، نلتقيكم.
أعزائي المشاهدين، أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة ومميزة من برنامجكم الوطني وثائقي نجاح. ويسعدنا أن نستضيف اليوم Mrs. Geraldine Pirot and Mr. Thomas Gasmi. Both of you, you are most welcome with us today in one of our episodes from Success Documentary Program. We will start with Mrs. Geraldine. As a beginning, we would like to know more about you. Who is Mrs. Geraldine Pirot? How did you start in UAE? Tell us a little bit, a small flashback about your being in UAE, or maybe before even. It's fine.
Bonjour, thank you for having us with you. I came in UAE in 2007, so I was at the beginning in the real estate field, and for the last 4 years now we have our own company. It's called Thom and Gery, and we are doing all the interior design services for some properties that we are selling or not.
So before we start talking about this, what was the reason behind choosing UAE?
Choosing UAE was the first reason was security reason, because I feel very safe in this country. I can go out, I can have my belongings. We have a lot of problem in France because of this.
So we'll be back to you. Mr. Thomas Gasmi, we would like to know who is Mr. Thomas Gasmi? How did you start? What are your beginnings in UAE?
Yes, when I came 6 years back, I was in vacation in UAE, and I realized like a lot of things going on, especially in the real estate market. And then I decided in 2014 to come back in UAE, but for business reason.
Nice. When you came to UAE for the second time, for business purposes, you got a job here or you started your business at that time?
No, I started a real estate company with an international company already set up in Dubai, and then I realized I want to do the same as them, but to build a concept, not only in real estate, but approach something else. Yes.
To make some extra things, which is like develop things
Yes.
more than real estate.
Yes.
We will speak about it. Mrs. Geraldine Pirot, when you started up your business, how much it was difficult or easy for you at that time?
It was more easy for me to do it in Dubai. I've done it before also in France, because setting up a company is a very easy process in this country, and also approaching clients and finding new project and talking to people and socialize is much more easy in Dubai.
Yeah, very nice. So tell us a little bit about your business, Thom and Gery company, and what are the services you are offering, just in brief.
Thom and Gery is a concept to provide all the services with one person to talk to. Not only buying a property, but also what is coming next. Coming next is maybe renovating the property, because most of the buildings are coming now. Time to renovate kitchen, bathroom, floor, paintings. Also decorating the property to get a higher rent, because it's now big market also in Dubai. And the next step is building.
Next step.
Yes.
Okay, I will be back to you.
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, when you started up your business, as you have just told us, was it difficult or easy for you that time?
Yeah, it was not easy. I mean, any business you need to work hard to get and to reach the point you want. But I try to bring something new on the market. When I was a real estate agent, broker, and when I realized on the handover, the owner himself is just rent the apartment empty, or you want to sell it empty. And I realized it's something we need to bring new on the market, like to fully furnish the apartment, to give more values and more return for the landlord, as when you rent it out more higher when it's fully furnished. And also the client, when he came inside the apartment, he realized like is his home already. Like, I mean, you know, feel comfortable straight away, because all the apartment here, when we are showing to the investor, it was empty. And I realized the difference when we fully finished the apartment, and when the client come over the transaction, it was more easy to close the deal. I mean.
Yeah. So, Mr. Thomas, you developed the idea for renting an empty apartments.
Yes.
To fully furnished apartments with all the facilities a person needs.
Yes.
So what are the principles you follow to reach this level?
The idea is to give the best for the client, you know, and to give him the best of the client. We are talking about the market value, the return, and as well to upgrade the unit. It doesn't exist here. Why? Because all the developer, like the biggest, they just give the handover as it is, and I realize the investor, they don't change anything in the unit. So that's why we built Thom and Gery as a concept, like between real estate, interior design, and also contracting company.
Yes. We're gonna speak about them. A part of improving the idea of renting apartments from empty to fully furnished. You have more services you're offering at this company. We would like to speak about them in details.
Yes, the services is from the transaction to follow from A to Z, to providing the service from the transaction, and after to rent it out for the client, to fully furnish the apartment for him, and also to change you know, something inside the apartment. It can be the lighting, it can be the flooring, it can be the kitchen. So it's all about upgrade the unit.
So during this time, I'll come to Ms. Geraldine. During this time, you have done some projects which gave you a push in your business. Can we speak about these projects and what are they?
Yes, the first big project we did was 3 years ago, when one client came to us. He was having a big mansion villa in District 1, and he was looking for an interior designer to finish the villa in 3 weeks.
Yeah, very nice.
Which obviously all the people he was meeting were declining, because it's a lot of work in a short time. Not only decorating with the furniture, but also doing the wall decors and the painting and the landscaping. So it was a big challenge for us, and we did it, and thanks to our team.
Yeah, and how was the result? What was the feedback of the client?
The client was very happy, because he was expecting some people to rent this villa 3 weeks later. So the villa would have to be ready with all everything inside, from the curtain to the TV until the kitchenware. So ready to move it with your suitcase.
Yeah, very nice. Of course, Mr. Thomas, you started up, you improved yourself, you reached this level at this very moment. And of course, you still have dreams, you still have plans. Maybe you see yourself something else, more improved in the next couple of years, or maybe 5 years from now. Share with us your dreams, your plans.
Yeah, the dream is always to grow and to improve our company in the quality of services. It's our main goal. But now I met a lot of people in UAE, especially when I was a real estate broker. I met them they want to invest in Dubai, and they want to know better about UAE, and I realized all of them are athletes. And in the past I was also playing in football in high level, and I realized, now I am meeting them. I don't see them in the TV. And now I want to bring them new services. So now the next step is we have Thom and Gery sport management.
Wow,
is already.
did you put it into practice or just still plans and ideas?
No, it's already, the company is already set up.
So you would like to speak about it, it's fine. What are the services you can offer in this field?
So the main idea is to improve the career and the end of the career of the athlete. So it's meant to plan the future for them. You know, when you are athlete, maybe you will be athlete for 10 or 20 years, and then we try to build them the future of them, like to invest in the properties or to give them opportunity to work as well with us, as well in Thom and Gery. We are offering them to grow with us.
I wish you the best of luck, and next time when we come to you, you will be in the highest levels.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Geraldine, back to you. Of course, same like Mr. Thomas, you also have dreams. You also, maybe it's gonna be the same, but I'm sure you have something which is on your own. You would like to do something in the future. You see yourself in something else from now to the next 5 years, I think.
No, I don't see myself in something else.
Yeah, you see the same.
I'm very happy where I am. I'm very proud of what we did because we started with no investment fund. You know, we started by ourselves with 3 people, and today we are a team of 20 people. So I'm very proud. So I see myself in the next 5 years with improving the services and grow the team. So we can take more projects because now the next step for us is to build and contract. So we will need more people to design the concept, more architects, more people on the site also at work.
I wish you the best of luck. And of course, UAE during this time it was it offered you a platform which helped you to start and improve yourself. How much it was helpful?
Actually, the platform of Dubai is the right one, first to hire qualified employees with many different nationalities and many different backgrounds. So our team is multicultural. Yes. And also it's a very good platform to network, to meet people. A lot of Europeans are coming more and more to Dubai, especially since this difficult COVID time because the country was open. So it's very easy for us to go out and meet people and be referred to other people if we do some good project and good services.
Yes, yeah, very nice. Mr. Thomas, how much this country was helpful to you when you start, when you improve yourself? What are the platforms this country offered you?
Well, this country offers a lot of opportunity for the network and to share your project with different person, and also I think so is he offers like the world is here. I mean I can work with any nationality, and this is a big plus for me because from anyone we can learn. So UAE bring me this.
And also the peace of mind. So when you are living in this country, you just feel the peace of mind, so you can just focus on your work and not in other things.
True.
Yeah. So from talking about the point of the help which is coming from this country to us, we would like a small thank you message from your side, Ms. Geraldine, to AIR rulers.
Yes, I really like to thank the ruler of Dubai. I'm very impressed by his vision. Because I think his vision of Dubai in the next 40-50 years is also part of our success, because he wants to bring this city at the top, and we want to be at the top as well.
Of course, always we would like to be number one in this country. Mr. Thomas, a small thank you message from your side to AIR rulers.
Yeah, I thanks him, and I realize we follow him as he says, nothing is impossible, and we realize it's true. Yeah. So for us it's the same. So thanks to him to give us this opportunity to grow with him.
Thanks to them, and we wish them the best of health and long life. Mr. Thomas, during this time, during your professional life, or maybe also your life, you were having some group of people or a person who supported you during this time. You would like to say thank you today via our program?
Yes, I want to thank all the people I met during my life here in Dubai. Of course, definitely Gery, she represents a lot for me. She gave me a chance to work with her, and she gave me the trust as well, and I'm super happy and proud to work with her and with all my colleagues. I mean, all my colleagues working with me is like a family business here.
Nice. Miss Geraldine.
Yes, me, I would like to thank my partner, of course,
Yeah.
Thom, because it's very important, even in difficult time, to support each other.
Yes.
And when somebody is a bit down, to have someone supporting you and being positive. And I would like also to thank my team, because we can't make it happen without them.
Of course,
they are all participating.
The basic of the
They are all participating in this amazing project, and I would like to thank my daughter as well, because she's part of this life also. She came with me in Dubai, and she's also helping me a lot.
Very nice. I wish to both of you the best of luck. I wish next time we'll see you on the best levels, inshallah.
Hopefully.
Thanks to you for being with us.
Thank you.
أعزائي المشاهدين، شكرا لمتابعتكم ونراكم في حلقة جديدة.